let me drop some truth bombs right here. The online learning space shows no sign of slowing down. Forbes forecasts that online learning space will continue to rocket to whooping 350 billion by 2025. Yes, with a B. It's absolutely incredible news for all of you, including us as coaches, content, and course creator. When your offer is validated and your audience is willing to invest their money and time and effort to solve their problems, it's less about the what, but more about how you communicate the value of it. So when should you be integrating this into your marketing plan in 2023? There's a lot more noise, a lot more competition. How can you make your personal brand stands out like the popular kids at school that gets all the best treats? What kind of messaging do you need to be banging out there to stop the stroke and get those eyeballs? It boils down to this: your magnetic personal brand messaging. What you say, how you say it, and answer your ideal clients of why your offer, why now, and why you. So grab your front row seat and let me deep dive in my 5 LinkedIn prediction in 2023. Stay until the very end because I'm going to give you my ultimate rock your LinkedIn profile checklist this year. So you're gonna wanna stick around for it. Hi, I'm Salina, the founder of the In Academy. I built a 6-figure business in just 2 years using LinkedIn. We help entrepreneurs to build impactful personal brands that win them eyeballs, trust, and clients, all with 100% organic marketing on LinkedIn. My #1 goal on this YouTube channel is to document my journey, share what's working and what is not, take out all the guesswork of building a successful brand on LinkedIn. I believe in making LinkedIn work for you and your business. Okay, let's dive into the 5 LinkedIn prediction in 2023. Prediction #1. Entrepreneurs who have a strong personal brand on LinkedIn will have a competitive edge. It's no longer news that 4.9 billion people using social media and 875 million of them are on LinkedIn, and 65% of business decision makers and 78% of B2B leads are coming directly from LinkedIn. Your personal brand says so freaking much about who you are, your business is, and it also creates a level of recognition from your audience. It's so much easier to sell whatever you want when you have a strong personal brand and build an audience online. When your audience sees something online that sounds like you, they think of you. Yes, your brand and business are always top of mind for them, and this is the uncopyable and irreplaceable. Think about Tony Robbins, Whitney Wolford, Alex Hormozi, Cody Sanchez. Their social presence sells their products. Here's a slide inside my personal brand boss. What you should not do when you're building a follow-worthy personal brand on LinkedIn. Your LinkedIn business profile funnel. Prediction #2. Video is the future. Yes, you're watching one right now. Their creators who are already on video will have the strongest competitive advantage, but those are created by people for people. Look at how highly produced content made by companies, brands, celebrities performs worse than content produced by everyday creators. LinkedIn's creator modes allow users to live stream and interact with their audience and introduce auto caption for videos published on its platform. So how can you get ahead of the game? Get comfortable with creating videos. Stop making excuses and start asking yourself how you can get started. Practice makes perfect. For those who didn't believe in LinkedIn videos, this is for you. How I hit 3 100K views posts on LinkedIn in just 2 weeks. Prediction #3. LinkedIn will be wildly in demand. Demand for content creation is the highest I've ever seen. I've been contacted by 8-figure CEOs asking to train their teams about LinkedIn because A, advertisement and paid traffic are no longer effective in other channels. It's expensive. Together with privacy updates, it's been harder to target the right people with little return on investment. B, realizing how much they're missing out by not tapping into the power of LinkedIn. It's a predictable platform with tangible results. Instagram's identity issues are becoming an increasingly concern. It is safe to build your personal brand on a platform that you're not sure your account can be hacked tomorrow and have your content, your face phrase used by an account called Your Name 12345, I will continue sharing tips on IG, but it won't be my primary focus. TikTok is so unpredictable and you can't even dream of controlling your growth and result. I'll dive into 3 TikTok influencers who made it to 1 million followers club. And how did they got there? My biggest takeaway was that they had 0 ideas and there was no definite strategies and no repeatable formulas for true success. Whereas my experience on LinkedIn, while not every post bring me clients, at least I can count on the data and predictability with LinkedIn to able to control my result and teach other entrepreneurs how to do that as well. And the best part, my followers are actually loyal. You! Prediction number 4, AI and copywriting are taking the center stage. A real-life robot making me prove that I'm a human. The robots are in charge of post-checking. That's pretty ironic, right? Important to remember though, we buy from human. You sell to human. We build a relationship with people, not businesses. So leverage ChatGPT and other AI tools like Copy AI, Jasper, etc. to support your content creation, but not to replace your brain and personality. This is where science comes in to make us all a better marketers, because it's the science of sales psychology and the deep understanding of our ideal customers. And that reconfirms that in order to make bank, we first gotta make friends with our customers. Words without empathy are simply words on a page. In other words, a post created by everyday human will outrank a post written by an incentivized robot. This message brings this home. AI will not replace you. A person using AI will. Prediction number 5, LinkedIn micro-influencers will thrive. This is old news. We're living in a creator economy. LinkedIn has already rolled out its Creator Accelerator program. This year is the 3rd year, 2023, with over 25 million investment in creators. This doesn't stop here. So be prepared to see tons of brands on LinkedIn reaching out to specific influencers with a sizable audience to represent their business. Why LinkedIn micro-influencer? Well, because their audience are more engaged and convert easily. HubSpot ran a recent study show that LinkedIn traffic has the highest conversion rate at 2.74%, way higher than Twitter and Meta combined. Bottom line, being a content creator with a strong personal brand on LinkedIn is going to be more powerful than it is now. Platforms are now favoring content creators like you and me over boring corporate content. So if this isn't clear to you already, no more waiting and start building right now. If you want to stay ahead of the game, then follow my content is already giving you a competitive edge. So good job! If you decide to accelerate and future-proof your business even further, I highly encourage you to join us inside Personal Brand Boss. Create a follow-worthy LinkedIn profile that attracts your ideal client. So there you have it. This is exactly my next 5 biggest LinkedIn trends and strategies that I predict in 2023. If you like this video, do not forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. Check out the juicy stuff to help you to succeed on LinkedIn in the description box below. Hey, they don't call me the LinkedIn biggest cheerleader for nothing. I'm here to share everything you need to know how to make LinkedIn work for you and your business. If something I shared today helped you to get one step closer to being the CEO you desire to be, then I've done my job with this video. I cannot wait to see you again next week, insiders. Bye for now.